Okay, I make this video in English. This is for the Dawalt 3400 PSI. Simpson a AAA pressure washer. Lost pressure. You're gonna see a mess right here, but anyways, if you're gonna fix it yourself, couldn't find no videos on this model. Okay, so the water comes through here, right? The water comes through here, and let me put this video like this. Got my freaking finger, so you gotta be careful. Anyways, this one, it has these little things. This is how they're supposed to look. Pinch cell phone. And this is how they were, right? Well, to take the one where the pistons push are these ones, these three of them. It was not a big deal. Oops, I'm sorry for the blood. You see that was a scratch. Now, one, two, three. You're gonna need one of those drill bit thingies. I don't even know what the name in English are. But those suckers are the ones that let the cold water come through. And then it plugs, and then it pushes up here. The madre way. Anyways, if you are having trouble getting these bitches out, just get one of these. Shove them in there. Put them in the vice grip and pull it out. Oh, super careful with these washers. They're like made out of lead or something. So yeah, that's it. There's my vice grip down there. Don't cut your freaking. Don't cut your finger.